Welcome to Shine's Excel seating template, and we have published the new template for TNPOLY, and this is the extended version TNPOLY and the capital R. Here we have included a new update, the new feature that is with additional to the board examination, we have added a new feature for conducting the internal test in the colleges. Here the same thing, admin corner and the user corner, and it's a very simple one. Only you can find the seating plan in this update. First of all, the hall design and branch entry, the provision for entering 5 halls, their rows and their columns, and it will be updated automatically. And then the departments, the first is always allocated for the first year, so you cannot change that, and the remaining for the rest of the departments. And their short form is very important. That's how the whole sheet works. Now moving back to the home page, students name entry. Here you have to enter the register number, so I have included the DME, diploma in mechanical engineering, so I have given example as DME 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then again I allocated, for example, allocated 50 students, and then for DPC, diploma in petrochemical engineering, and DPC 1 and 50 students. And also here I have to enter the year, whether they are the second year or the third year. And for first year you have to enter first year like this. Moving back to the home page, next I need to enter the exam detail entry, college name, year, and the start date of the exam, end date of the exam, and the start time and the end time, and the exam details and where it is conducted, in which block. If you want to add any other features, then we can add it also. After entering all these details, we have to start here. Here there is a provision for selecting the hall number. I have entered 3 halls in the home page. I want to show you. I have entered 3 halls: AP 301, AP 206, AP 207. Therefore I am going to allocate for these 3 halls. Hall AP 301, and it shows there are 10 rows and 5 columns, so you can allocate. The main important feature of this is that you can select the department column wise. For the first column, if I want to allocate 2 departments, that is second DME, and each column it can accommodate 10 students. Therefore second DME, and in column number 1, remaining students, there are 50 students are there, so I am going to allocate 6 students from DME. So that's how it has updated. 6 students has come up. And then let's see, the second DME has the exam, and the second DEEE also has the exam. So now second DEEE, the same column 1, I am allocating them. Totally there are 10, so 6 is already over. I am allocating 4, so totally see 3 triple has come here. Now the second column I am allocating the first year. So first year also have the exam, and 50 students are there. So in column 2 I am allocating the whole column with the first year. Yes, so the first year has come up here. And now let's see the third column. Let it be second DME, and I am allocating all the 10 students, the third column. And again first year in the fourth column. Yes, and in the fifth column I am allocating triple students. Yes, and there are only 5 columns in this hall because it is AP 301 and the total column 5. Even though if you enter, if the details, it will appear here, but it won't appear in the seating page. So you have to be restricted with this count. Then I'm moving to the second hall. I'm checking how many remaining students are there. In first year there are 30 remaining students, second DME 34, and in triple E there are 36 students are there. Let us see how to do that. Now I'm selecting the first year and I want to allocate first year in column number 1, 3 and 5. Before that, let me select the hall. AP 206, yes. So rows are only 5, so you can allocate only 5 students in one column, and totally 6 columns are there. So first year in column number 1, and in column number 3, and in column number 5. So each it will accommodate 5 students. Yes, 5 over. And then the column number 2, I am giving it to DME. So there is no restricted order that you have to enter in this way. You can enter in any of the ways. There is no restriction. 5. So it is fully occupied. Next, I'm moving to the next hall. So let us see, there is only one hall remaining. So this is also updated. 5 and 6. Let us check how many students are there. First year 15, 19, 36 and 50. So I am going to allocate the DPC students, second DPC students, column 1, and the DPC students in column 3 and column 5. You can just drag it like that. So if you drag, it will change. So column 1, column 3 and column 5. And the students count is only 5 in each column. Yes, over. And in the remaining place, I am entering the first year students in column 2, 5. And in column 4, first year students, I'm giving them 5. And you also have the 6th column because the total columns here is 6. So in the that place I'm allocating second DME, and there are 19 remaining students are there. So column number is 6, 5. That's it. And still we have halls. If just for example, I'm showing 3 halls. After entering these details, we have 2 kinds of halls. One is with dimension 5 into 6, 5 rows into 6 column, and another one is 10 rows into 5 columns. Here you can see the things which we have entered in the previous page all will appear here. So from here you can take the printout, press Ctrl P or Command P. I am showing you the print preview. If you want any other details to be displayed here, you can make that. So here are the details. This is the small hall 5 into 6, the first hall, and now the second hall. All details are appearing here. Now going back, next is the hall seating for 10 into 5 halls. This is the 10 into 5 halls, 10 rows, 5 columns. I'm showing you the print preview. If you want to take the printout, you can take the direct printout of it. This is how it displays. So this is a very simple seating page, and the link for applying for this seating page is available in the description. And when you apply, don't forget to select the version name as TNPOLY, or already we have the previous version TNPOLY. It has only the board examination, and the TNPOLY or version is included with the internal test facility. That is the seating for generating seating for internal test also is included. Thank you for selecting Shine 6L seating template as your exam cell partner. We have fully automated and semi-automated sheets for schools, colleges and universities. Also, we have uploaded the videos for all the versions of the template which are in use. So while contacting us, don't forget to mention the version name, and that will help us to trace what your requirement is. If your requirement is not found in any of our demo videos, then you can apply through the link which is given below. Also, we have designed a special template for conducting the exams in the polytechnic colleges in Tamil Nadu. The version name is TNPOLY.